Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Google Family Link for parents. First thing first, on your device, which is the parents, install the Google Family Link app from the Play Store or App Store. On your child's Android device, go to Settings, Google, All Services, then Parental Controls. If already linked to a Google account, tap their name, then All Services, then Parental Controls. Now, tap Let's do this and choose Supervised Account. Select your child's account or create a new Google account if they don't have one. Now enter your Google email and password to confirm you are the parent and enter your child's account password to complete the setup. And done, now your child's device is supervised and you can control permissions from your device. If you have more than one child, you can add them under the same family group. Just on the parent device, open the Family Link app and tap your child's icon on the top left, then choose Add Child. If your child already has a Google account, tap Yes and follow the steps to link. And if your child does not have an account, just tap No to create. Once linked, tap Done on your device and all your children's profiles will now appear in the top left Family Link menu. From here, you can set screen time limits, manage apps installs, control content restrictions, and see activity reports. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.